Hello everyone. So in this video we will be studying about the binary integer division. There are two methods for doing this division. So one is restoring method and another is the non-restoring method. So we'll be first studying about the restoring method. So these are the steps which have to be followed for doing this restoring division method. So what is the first step? First step is the initialization step. So what are we going to do in this initialization is we are going to initialize three registers. So first register is A. What is this A? A is a accumulator register. We are initializing this to 0. But how many zeros? We are initializing it to n plus 1 number of zeros. Now what is n? N is the total number of bits we are taking for doing the division. So that is n. Now here in our example we are taking 4 bits for doing the division. So 4 plus 1 5. So A is equal to 5 zeros we are initializing. Next we are going for the initialization of Q. So this Q is initialized to dividend. Now what is this dividend? Now you see when you are doing this division operation, so that is 8 divided by 3. Here 3 is called the divisor, 8 is the dividend. So here 8 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, this 2 is the quotient and this 2 is a remainder here. So we are initializing Q register with the dividend value. So whatever value we are having here, dividend value, binary representation of this dividend value is initialized into this Q. Then followed by M. M register is initialized to divisor. Then how many bits divisor we are taking? We are taking again here n plus 1 bits divisor we are taking. So here we are taking 3, is it not? So we are taking 3. What is the binary representation of 3? 0 0 1 1. If we are taking 4 bits, it is 0 0 1 1. But now I am saying here n plus 1. So where are you going to add that one more bit to make it as a 5 bit? So we are adding a 0 in the MSB. Now here you can see m is equal to 3. So 3 is what? It is divisor. What is the binary representation of 3? 0 0 1 1. But I am adding a one more 0 at the MSB place so that we can make it as n plus 1 number of bits. Please remember, don't add a 0 at the LSB position here. So it makes a difference. If I write here 0, so what will be the value? 1 1 0. Then it will be how much? Yes, 110 means it will be 4 plus 2, 6. It will be 6 value, but we want 3 value. So we are adding a 0 in the MSB position. So always when you are using the value of m, you are initializing it to n plus 1 bits. And also in that n plus 1 bit, you are going to initialize MSB as 0. That is why I have written here MSB 0 and followed by the divisor binary value. Divisor's binary value. Next we are going to initialize the value of count. What is the value of count? The number of bits we are taking for the dividend. How many bits we are taking? That will be n. So this finishes the initialization step. So after this we are going to the next step, that is shift left AQ. So we will be having the registers AQ. In the register A and Q, whatever values are there, we are shifting one position to the left side, and whatever position is remaining in the last vacant position, what is to be filled there, that will be decided in the next step. So subtraction after shifting AQ, then we are going to do the A is equal to A minus 1 M. These are compulsory steps. So first we have to do the initialization, then we have to do shift left, then we are going for A is equal to A minus M. Then when A is equal to A minus M is done, that time we are going to shift get the value of this Q naught. If the MSB bit of A is 1, then Q naught will be 0. Then otherwise it will be 1. Means if A is equal to 1, Q naught is 0. If A is equal to 0, Q naught is equal to 1. So like this ulta we are taking here. Next, when MSB of A is 1, then we are going to restore. Okay, when we are taking MSB of A is 1, then we are going to do restore operation. What is restore operation? Just we are going to take a is equal to a plus m. When we will do this a is equal to a plus m? Only when we will be having only when we will be having the a's MSB is equal to 1, that time we are going to restore. Then after this step, count is equal to count minus 1, means we are going to decrement the value of the count. Once the value of this count is decremented and it is not equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, we are going to stop. If it is not equal to 0, what we are going to do is we are going to go back again to the second step and continue. So what we did here, this initialization step is done only once. Initialization step is done only once, followed by from step number 2 to step number 6. We are going to repeat this again and again. What we are going? Shift left, subtraction, set the value of Q naught, check for restoring or not restoring. Suppose if the value of A is here 0, then we are not going to do the restoring. Only when the value of A is equal to 1, that time we are going to do the restoring. So let us take one example so that it will be very easy for understanding. So I want to do the division here, A divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 will be remaining. So here 3 is the divisor, 8 is the dividend, 2 is the quotient, and here this 2 is the remainder. So let us do first the initialization step. In the initialization step, first we are setting the value of A. A is equal to 0. How many zeros? I am taking 4 bits for doing the division. So n is equal to 4 or count is equal to 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 zeros I am setting here. This is very important step. So 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Next Q is equal to, we are going to set the, what is there in Q? In the Q we are having the dividend. In Q we are having dividend. What is our dividend? It is 8. So what we are doing? 1,000,000. This I am going to initialize the value of Q. What we are going to store in M? Divisor we are going to store. What is divisor? It is 3. So when it is 3, add an extra value here 0 as a MSB. Then continue this value 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is what? This is value of M, that is divisor. Now in the solution we will be requiring 2's complement of this M minus M. Okay, this is M value minus M. How do we get the value minus M? Just we have to take the 2's complement. How do you take the 2's complement? So first you take the 1's complement. What is 1's complement? In this we are going to change 0 to 1, 1 to 0. So 1's complement here it is what here? Here it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So this 0 will become 1. This will become 1. This 0 also will become 1. These two 1, 1 will become 0. So this is 1's complement. Add 1 to it. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Remaining as it is we are writing. So this is M value. This is minus M value, or this is the 2's complement of M. So we have finished with the initialization step. Next what we are going to do? Second step is shift left AQ. So this is A and this is Q. Both together we have to shift one place to the left side. So when I am shifting this 0 to the left side, this 0 will be discarded. It will be lost. This will come here. This 0 will come here. This 0 and this 0. One position. This 1 will be taken here. Left side I am shifting. AQ. Both together we are shifting to the left side. This 1 will come here. This 0 here. This 0 here and this 0. Last place when I am shifting to the left side will remain empty here. What value should be put here will be deciding in the next steps. So now next what? Subtraction. A is equal to A minus M. A is equal to A minus M. How we can write this A is equal to A minus M? We can write it as A plus of minus M. Is it not? We can write it as A plus of minus M. So now we require minus M. Minus M is what? 2's complement of M. Already we have calculated here. So we can do A plus of minus M. So what is the value? This is the value of A after shifting. This is the value of A. What is this minus M value? Minus M value is 11101. So 11101. Then do the addition operation. A plus of minus 1. No? So this is minus 1. This is A value. Do the addition. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So now decide the value of Q naught. See, this is Q register, okay. Last one LSB is Q naught, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So here the value of MSB value of A is equal to 1. When MSB value of A is equal to 1, Q naught will be 0. When MSB value of A is 1, Q naught will be 0. Here, so it is 1 here. So we are doing the value as 0 here. Now we have found out this one. Next, find out whether we have to restore or not. For restoring, what we are going to do here? Check the MSB of A again. So the MSB of A is 1. So when the MSB of A is 1, we have to do the restoring operation. Restoring operation means A is equal to A plus M. So what is A? This is already A we have got, plus M. What is the value of M? 00011. So 00011. A plus M. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 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 1. Since we have taken the 2's complement here, we are going to neglect the value of this carry bit which is generated. So what is the value, new value of A? 4 times 0, 1. Now you can see here, before starting the value of this A was 4 times 0, 1. Now also we have taken 4 times 0, 1. Means we have restored the value as it was in the previous while starting. We have restored the value here. So this method, why it is called as restoring? Because depending upon the MSB of the accumulator A register, if it is 1, then we are restoring by using A is equal to A plus M. So this is restoring. See, if how to understand whether you are going correct or not. After restoring, you have to get the same value as that you have started the first. So this will complete your first cycle. So what is next step? Count is equal to count minus 1. What is the value of count here? The value of count is equal to 4. Is it not? The value of count is 4. Count minus 1 means 4 minus 1, 3. Now is it 0? No, it is not 0. So we are going for the next cycle here. So in the next cycle, whatever value of A, what value of A we have got? 4 times 0, 1. So I have taken the value of A as 4 times 0, 1. What is the value of present in Q? All zeros. So I have taken all zeros here. Okay. Next, in the second cycle also follow the same steps. What are the steps? The steps are shift left, subtract, set the value of Q naught, restore or not restore. So now we are having here shift left. So I am shifting this left side. This will be discarded. So this 0 will come here. This 0 is here. This 0, this 1. So here what I am having here? This 0 will come here. So when this 0 goes here, these 3 zeros are remaining. One vacant space is created. Now what to set? We will see in the next step. So after shift left, what we are having? After shift left, minus, subtraction we are having. A is equal to A minus M. So what is minus M? Minus M value is already we have calculated 11101. So now I have taken here 11101 and I am going to add it. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. All we have got ones. Next, find the value of MSB of A value. So MSB value is 1. So what will be the value of Q naught? Yes, Q naught value will be 0. When MSB is 1, Q naught value will be 0. Next step, should we restore or not? Let us check the MSB bit. MSB bit of A is 1. Yes, we have to restore them. How to do the restoring method? A is equal to A plus 1 should be done. So I am doing, this is the value of A. What is the value of M? The value of M we have here is 00011. So now we am taking 00011 and add 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 1 carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. Neglect this carry bit since we have taken the 2's complement. So now again we have restored. See what was the starting value after shifting? So it is 00010. Now after restoring also it is 00010. So this completes the second cycle. Check the value of count here. Now count value had become how much? 3. Count value had become 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Is it 0? No. Go for the next cycle. In the next cycle also, what we are going to do here? We are going to shift first. So what is the value of A here? This one. So after shifting, this 0 will be discarded. This 0 will come here. This 0 will come here. This 1 will come here. This 0 will come here. And this 0 will come here. So whatever values is remaining here, 0, 0, 0. So I have taken 0, 0, 0. One place is become empty. So next step is what? A is equal to A minus M. So what is our minus M? Minus M we have already calculated. 11101. So minus 1 I am taking here. Then we are going to add. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. Neglect the carry. Now what is the value of Q naught? Let us see the MSB bit of A. MSB bit of A is now 0. What will be the value of Q naught then? It will be a 1. So done with this step. Next step, should we restore or not? What is the value, MSB bit value of A? MSB bit of A is 0. Since it is 0, we are not restoring. What is the meaning of MSB as a 0 or 1? If the MSB is 1, then it will be negative number. If MSB of any binary number is 0, then it is a positive number. If it is, it is 0, means it is a positive number. If it is positive number, no restoring. If it is a negative number, then we have to go for restoring method. So MSB is 0, so we are not restoring the value here. So next, count value. Count value had become 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Yes, it is not equal to 0. So we are going for the next cycle. So in the next cycle, start with the first step again. Shift left. Shift left AQ. So now this is A value here. So this 0 will be discarded. So 0, 0, 0, 1 and this 0 will come here. So 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0. Remaining what? 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1 is remaining. Last place will become empty. So we'll go for the next step. A is equal to A minus M. So minus M we have calculated, that is 11101. So add this now. After adding, I am going to get this answer. Since the MSB is 1, what is the value of Q naught? It will become 0. Next step, restoring. See, MSB is again 1. So we have to restore. Restore means what? A is equal to A plus M. So after plus M, A is equal to A plus M I will do. And this. Next step is count. Count value is equal to 1 I have there. 1 minus 1 is 0. Is it 0? Yes. So we are going to stop doing this process. Finally, we have to get the answer. So when we get, after doing all these operations and performing the cycles, where will be the quotient and remainder? In the Q register, we will be having the quotient. What is present in the Q register? 0, 0, 1, 0. What is 0, 0, 1, 0? 0, 0, 1, 0 means 2. Then remainder will be present in A register. What is present in A register last? 00010. So what is 00010? Again it is a 2. See, quotient also is 2. Remainder is also 2. See, here we are doing the division. Quotient is also 2. Remainder is also 2. So this is how we are doing the restoring method. So what happens in this restoring method? So in the restoring method, first we have to do the initialization only once. Then we are going for shift left. Then we will do subtraction, set the value of Q naught, restore or not restore. So again and again we are going to do the same steps. So this is how restoring is achieved.